Vaser liposuction, since it is energy-driven device or energy-driven method, because of that we can deal with areas which have fibrous tissue like flanks, or in cases where liposuction is being done second time, Vaser allows us to break down that fibrous tissue and allows us to take out more fat with less injury to surrounding tissues. Hello dear friends, I am Dr. B.K. Garg. I am board certified plastic and cosmetic surgeon practicing in New Delhi and Gurugram area since last 15 years. Over the years, I have treated more than 10,000 patients with various skin, hair and cosmetic surgery issues. If you have any query regarding any of these, you can reach me on WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram or YouTube. We will be very happy to help you. In today's video, I will discuss how does Vaser liposuction compares to conventional liposuction. In this video, I will discuss what exactly is Vaser liposuction and what are the benefits of this particular method over conventional liposuction method. I hope you will find this video useful. Vaser is acronym for Vibration Amplification of Sound Energy at Resonance. This is kind of ultrasonic liposuction method in which ultrasonic energy is used to liquefy or soften down the fat, and then this fat is suctioned out of your body to provide you better contour. Vaser is advanced form of ultrasonic liposuction in which the frequency of resonance is around 34 kHz, which makes it selective for adipose tissue or fatty tissue. Because of that, this is also known as liposelection, because at this resonance frequency, only fat is liquefied and many other important structures like nerves and vessels are spared. Because of that, Vaser is usually less traumatic than conventional liposuction. Vaser also allows us to remove large amounts of fat with the less blood loss. Now I will discuss various features of Vaser liposuction compared to conventional liposuction method. First, I will discuss how does Vaser liposuction compares to conventional liposuction method in terms of blood loss. Since I informed you earlier that Vaser is technically resonates at around 35 kHz frequency, which is selective for adipose tissue or fatty tissue under the skin. Because of that, there is very little damage or no damage to surrounding other structures like blood vessels, nerves or other fibrous tissue around fat. Since there is less damage to other surrounding structures and this ultrasonic energy lyses or breaks down fat selectively, because of that blood loss is much less compared to conventional liposuction. Because of this less blood loss, we can take out large amounts of fat without worrying about quantity of blood being lost in procedure. So Vaser liposuction leads to lesser blood loss in a liposuction procedure. Second difference is regarding better contouring. Vaser liposuction, since it is energy-driven device or energy-driven method, because of that we can deal with areas which have fibrous tissue like flanks, or in cases where liposuction is being done second time, Vaser allows us to break down that fibrous tissue and allows us to take out more fat with less injury to surrounding tissues. Because of this character of Vaser liposuction, we can remove fat from areas which is more traumatic to remove by normal methods of liposuction. So Vaser allows us to achieve better contouring in areas which are fibrous or have thick fat, which may not be easily removable by normal liposuction method. third difference where Vaser differs from conventional liposuction is bruising. Because of less bleeding associated with Vaser liposuction or ultrasonic liposuction, we have less bruising in post-operative recovery time. Less bruising means you can return back to your activities faster, and there is less change in appearance, and your recovery becomes more smooth and faster. So bruising is less in Vaser liposuction compared to other methods of liposuction like tumescent liposuction or power assisted liposuction method. Fourth factor where Vaser may or may not differ is amount of swelling. Although generally, since bleeding is less and trauma to surrounding structures is less in Vaser liposuction, swelling can be little less in Vaser liposuction compared to commonly employed other liposuction methods. Because of less swelling, you may have faster recovery process, and your pain may also be little less compared to other methods of liposuction. Fifth and most important and significant difference with the Vaser liposuction compared to conventional liposuction lies in the fact that we can perform advanced liposuction procedures easily with the help of Vaser. We can do high definition liposuction, we can do superficial liposuction, and apart from that, the many areas which have thick fibrous tissue like gynecomastia, flanks, or inner thighs, sometimes lateral part of thighs. So few areas where there's fat is thickened or there's some fibrous tissue which makes it difficult to suck out the fat by conventional liposuction, Vaser can be very helpful. Apart from that, doing superficial liposuction or doing advanced liposuction procedures like high definition liposuction or trying to create six-pack abs in fit individuals, Vaser can be very helpful. So Vaser liposuction allows us to perform advanced liposuction procedures with ease and safety. I hope that all of you have found this video useful. If you have still more queries regarding Vaser liposuction, please feel free to reach me on WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube. Please feel free to post your comments on our YouTube channel. We'll be very happy to help you. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for latest information and updates. Thank you very much.